On this edition of Trainmasters TV, a cozy home made for an N-scale empire.
Most of my layouts in the past have been in very small rooms that were not dedicated space. They were shared. I fully recommend it if someone has the space to make themselves a train cave.
City scenes on Back to the Basement.
This time we're going to get a lot more urban. This session will be a little more complicated because there's so many things that it takes to make a city scene look good.
And Great Expectations on the roadshow.
This is the first time these modules have been out at a show, so it's going to be a little bit nerve-wracking until I see that first train actually go over the tracks without falling on the ties.